So, first thing, most importantly, make sure you always unplug an appliance if you're going to work on it. If you're not comfortable working with electrical, do not attempt this at home. Get someone experienced that knows what they're doing. So, went through and it appears that there are 5 screws. The 5 screws are attached to this metal plate. And once those 5 screws are removed, you'll be able to lift it up. And if you look on the bottom, there's some tabs. There's 3 little tabs this back door sits on. Also, you'll notice that the compressor is behind here, and there's a vent. You'll see some dust. It's probably a good idea to clean that out. Help keep everything up to date. Now, I should be wearing gloves right now because as I can feel, this is very sharp, and you can cut your hands on that. So you probably want to make sure that you're wearing gloves when you're doing this. So I did not, and now I know for next time. Now, as I look here, I can see that the 2 tubes are here. There's my coil. I'm gonna have to get a vacuum with a brush and clean that out because it's pretty gunked up. But here's our drain lines. See these 2 drain lines coming down here, and it looks like I can see here. It looks like it's clogged because I see some water dripping out of the side. The drain pan on the bottom, it appears to be there's nothing in it. So maybe this is part of my problem. I don't know. I'm going to go through and do all of the different steps and see what I can do. Also, I noticed looking at the bottom, there's another area. Seems like a ventilation on the bottom next to the compressor. I'm sorry, the coil. And compressor's over here. And the coil that appears, it seems to be got a lot of dust. So probably a good time to clean all that out. There is a little bit of water on the bottom, but not much. So let's pull off one of these drain hoses and see what happens here. So for this, the kit includes 2 new pieces from the top up here. Here's one of the old ones, and I can open that up. Look inside. They call this like a duck bill or something like that. Yeah. It definitely, it's totally clogged up. It's like hard as a rock. It's like sealed. So I don't know how any water is going down that thing. It's like crunchy. So that's a problem for sure. Let's try the other one. Other one looks to be the same. I do see a little bit of moisture around it, but looking down inside, I don't know if you guys will be able to see this. It looks like it's deteriorated or something. Let's see. Take that off. This one, same exact thing. It's hard as a rock. Have you heard that crack, snap sound? Ugh, big clump of stuff just came out of it. It's pretty nasty, I gotta say. Well, that is definitely got to be part of this. Look, if you can look here, this one's actually kind of still sealed. So I don't know what's up with that, but that can't be good. And the bottom is the tray. It looks pretty funky down there. I'm gonna get some Clorox cleanup and spray it in there. It's pretty nasty. Try to suck that out. Little shop vac. So all right, give that a shot. See what happens. I'll be back with the parts.